Hello and welcome to another short video from Life Schoolers. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the best chicken salad sandwiches. Huh, bud? We're going to start out by squishing and separating a whole can of this chicken. And I do that just by using a fork, kind of smashing down on it, making it
What is that?
a little bit loose.
Chicken.
A little bit like
I like
loose tuna.
What's that?
Alright, and once it's to that point where it's all nice and loose and it's gonna get all those good taste.
Well, those not
Next, we're going to dice 3
chicken.
pieces of celery. Feels like a shame to throw all this away, so we make a stock out of it. And it actually is really good. We'll do it with all our veggies. Alright, so I'm just slicing down 4 times here on each one so we can get some nice little pieces. Alright, once you get a good 4 slices on each one, then you can start dicing them. Alright, and then we could go one more time over this way. That's good to go. Alright, and we're also going to do that with 1 pickle. These are
Pickles.
a little bit more tricky, but
Sweet chicken and noodles.
alright. Go ahead and mix those together there. Alright. Next, here we have some salt, some pickle juice, some mustard, and some mayonnaise. Start out by putting a teaspoon, nice teaspoon of salt in there with the chicken. Mix that around.
What's that?
That
It's pickle juice.
pickle juice.
Hey,
Oh, but it's so good in here. Alright, next, we throw in the mayonnaise.
You can just dump them all in though.
Mix that around a little bit.
I don't want that.
Alright, put this in.
Couple tablespoons of mustard. You can do less if you like, or more. For mustard lovers.
We do enjoy a lot of mustard, so you might want to maybe do half that at mustard and do a little bit more mayo, or just however you like it. So after those 2 have been mixed in thoroughly, add our juice and our vegetables. And alright, continue to mix this up. Get some breads toasting in the toaster. At this point, this will be done in just a short
I can pop out.
Now you want to mix this really good. Make sure all that chicken gets mixed in really nicely and evenly with those veggies. Ooh, sorry, I'm a little excited. All those veggies and everything. Alright. Once you've mixed it all in really thoroughly, we're going to add some spices. We're going to add We're gonna add a little bit of cumin, about a half of a teaspoon.
Wait, what's this?
And we're gonna add some white pepper, about a teaspoon of this. That was a little bit more than a teaspoon, but it might have been just on, actually. All right, so we're gonna mix all this together. Mix it really, really good. You don't want one area to have too much of the seasonings and another area have none. It would make it very unpleasurable for the person that got too much. All right. Now we just wanted that bread. Bread really lightly toasted. You want to go hand me that bread, Alecos?
Okay.
Come help me. All right, here, go take it over there. Take it over. All right, bud, put it on the table. Thank you. Okay. Now, go ahead and set that on there.
Are we gonna go to the park?
No, not today. It's raining.
Okay. Alright. And at this point, if you wanted to, which I like to, add a little bit more of a spicy kind of a mustard. I have this this really fancy mustard that tastes really good, but I just add a little teeny tiny bit of it. All right. So, and I like to present them a little nicer.
Is that mine?
Don't.
Careful with your fingers, bud.
Why?
When Daddy's cutting, you don't want to get cut.
All right.
Hey, no.
Add some chips there in the middle. All right. There you go. Some bomb-ass chicken salad sandwiches.